ukuthi usomisa ngidisrespect kanje iyana abaleke ngivinjwe nama-bodyguard akhe ayisabani. Mina was not rushing to him as a result of ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuzomkhothamela. Nawe unokhathile isitabane. Cha uyisho isitabane. Cha uyisitabane. Man, we are professionals. Cha uyisitabane.
We are professional. Ngizali professional.
No.
Ngibiza abantu isitabane.
Uyisifuna isitabane. Hayi. Hawu, taki emsunu.
Hello everyone, hope usuku lakho luhamba kahle. So ke namhlanje ke sizolalela iresponse yangizwe Mchunu emva kokuthi athi uyoqhawula uSomizi Mhlongwa wabaleka. Lokho ke siyazi ukuthi uSomizi ukwenziswa yini, ukwenziswa ukuthi yena ke ungizwe kulezi inyanga ezidlule ubexeka zona abantu abagay ethi akabafuni ethi abahambe. Esho zonke izinto ezimbi ebagxeka nje generally. So ke mase ke sakusondela yena ke ungizwe kuSomizi, vele uSomizi ubezocabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe lo muntu uzongihlasela wavusane wakhetha ukuthi abaleke. So nayo ke iresponse yangizwe ke emva ukuthi ke abuzwe ukuthi bekwenze njani nokuthi uzizwa kanjani emva ukuthi uSomizi ambalekele ambizele ama-bodyguard. Shoneni khona kuma uthi uyaqala ukufela, make sure ukuthi ushiya usubscribe ukuze phela ungeke uze uphuthelwe ama-video afana nalawa in future. Ashona khona ke ngingakudleli isikhathi sakho.
Leyo ukuthi uSomizi ngidisrespect kanje iyana abaleke ngivinjwe nama-bodyguard akhe ayisabani. Mina was not rushing to him as a result of ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuzomkhothamela. But I was showing the remorse of being professional. So yes, kuyena naye njengomuntu osebenza kwa-SABC futhi osekwi-industry Scarlet City, I expected the response of professionalism because today as we speak uRamaphosa eSwazini we 40 years ceremony of King Mswati on a throne. Sibona uRamaphosa, sabona uPresident wamazwe omhlaba, sabona former President Jacob Zuma, sabona Ramaphosa, all of them sharing jokes. If you know Ramaphosa and Zuma, they are enemies, and then serious enemies, but they behave professionally. Can you imagine if they meet in Swaziland and then they grab each other's nose and fight? Now in South Africa today. So professionalism is important. I'm teaching you, you are the future, and I'm teaching you everyone. Professionalism, stop being angry and stop behaving submissive and be professional. Ramaphosa and Jacob Zuma, they were together today and celebrating the 40th throne of King Mswati, also the 58th birthday. But they share the moment of history and enjoyment of together. But they are so how can it prohibit you, a motherfucker, just to be professional? You see me now, you'll never see me again. I thank you.
Okay everyone, sivala la i-video namhlanje sibuya ngqi. Really hope you enjoy i-video namhlanje. If you enjoy, make sure ukuthi uyismash lo like button, uphinde usmash lo subscribe button, and mina I will see you in the next video. Bye.